Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off contacts on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and double check if your Instagram needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and as you can see, there is a new update, so go ahead and update your app. So I'm gonna go back to my screen, and then I'm gonna go ahead to my browser, and basically if you want to remove contacts from your Instagram, click edit profile and see more in your account center, click information and permissions, then click manage contacts, click delete all, then click delete to confirm on your contacts. So basically that's how you actually do it, as simple as that. Go to the account center on Meta, and then click on your informations and permissions. You're gonna find it on the last section, and then manage your contacts. You're gonna see an option for that. Click delete all, and then click delete to confirm. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.